India has raised security concerns with Pakistan after a drone was spotted inside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. The incident happened on the 26th of June, just hours before unmanned aerial vehicles dropped explosives on the Jammu Air Base. There has been an increase in drone activities around critical Indian installations. In fact, India's border security forces intercepted a Pakistani drone in the Arnia sector. The BSF troops fired at the drone, which was spotted near the border with Pakistan. The drone returned immediately after firing began. The BSF said that this aerial vehicle was carrying out surveillance.
The Jammu Air Force Station case, the investigation is in progress. As far as terrorism and terror financing is concerned, we have a zero tolerance policy. We condemn terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. All countries must take credible action against terrorism, including by putting an end to cross-border movement of terrorists, ending terrorist safe havens and infrastructure, and their financing channels. In this regard, we call upon Pakistan to take credible, verifiable, and irreversible action against terrorist networks and proxies.
On Sunday, drones dropped IEDs on the Jammu Air Base. No casualties were reported in the twin blasts, but they sparked major security concerns. It is suspected that Pakistan-based terror group Lashkar-e-Toiba was behind the attack.
Now that we have past history of Lashkar using drones to drop weapons, to drop narcotics on this side, to drop ready-made IEDs to be planted at various locations. On that very day when that twin attack at Air Force Field took place, that evening also we had captured a module which was to be delivered an IED. From across, that IED came. That IED was sent by Lashkar-e-Toiba handler from that side. That fellow who was to receive that IED has been arrested by police, is being interrogated.
Recently, Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravane had said that drones have now become DIY projects that can easily be accessed both by state and non-state actors for use in combat. General Naravane added that the Indian Army is taking steps to avert drone attacks. Border troops have been put on high alert. This after the Vice Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General C.P. Mohanty, took stock of the security situation along the line of control. New Delhi has also raised the issue of the use of drones by terrorists at the United Nations. Drones, which are cheap and commercially available products, are being increasingly used to carry out terror attacks. And our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, has been tracking all those developments. He sent us this report. Take a look.
In a significant development, a drone was spotted in the Indian High Commission over the same weekend when Jammu saw the incident. The matter has been raised by the Indian authorities with the Pakistani authorities, and this is a really eye-raising incident given the fact that a drone for the first time has been spotted inside the campus of the Indian mission. The event was underway. In fact, an event was underway when the incident happened. The drone was spotted. This happened on 26th of June, and around 10 p.m. The drone was spotted. Nonetheless, the worries over drone usage for surveillance, for attacks has been raised by India at various forums. We know that India had recently raised the matter at the United Nations, saying that this is a low-cost technology that can be used to plan deadly terror attacks. The same thing happened at the SCO-NSA meetings as well, where the Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval raised the similar issue, and this has been a long-standing issue.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.